Hello, what's up everyone? I am Zelangba Kome. Today we're going to have some interview with Miss Ria Mozumdar, the SS second topper of our district. So Miss Ria, a big congratulations for your great achievement. So firstly, can you kindly tell us about yourself?
My name is Ria Majumdar and my mother's name is Lakshmi Majumdar and my father's name is Late Babalal Majumdar. I have passed my HS from Haflong Gov College with 82%. I am from art stream.
How was your first reaction after knowing your result?
I was not at all nervous to know the result, but I thought that I will get letter in logic and philosophy, but other than that, all the subjects, I think I got the marks what I deserved.
Okay, how much you got in logic?
I got 75.
75, it's good only.
No, I thought that I'll get better, at least 90 above, because I have worked on that more.
Okay, anyway, how long you study in a day?
I have not studied every day also. I have studied only for 1 to 2 hours. I was not regular, so I got only 82.
Here is the next question for you. What is your career objective? Ambition?
I thought that I will complete my degree and I will search a job.
So we don't have a particular reason?
No.
We don't have. Do you ever expect to get second topper in our district?
Yeah, I expected that I will get at least position out of 10 because all the good students were out of the district, so we were averagers left out.
Here is the next question for you. Why quality student is very much important in today's generation? The people who are like you, quality student. So it's very much important in today's generation. So why it is needed in today's generation?
We are living in 21st century, and in this century the competition level has been very high. So if you are not enough qualified, you can't crack any exam. So you have to be qualified enough so that you can crack the exam and get a good job.
Okay, can you please kindly tell in brief how you become success and how you happen to reach top 2 in our district?
You have to be very dedicated to your studies. If you love your books, you will be attached with it. And try to know the things. Just don't try to buy hard things. If you try to know the things, then it will be in your brain for a long time.
Okay, viewers, it is good to keep in mind what she is saying. To success and to achieve more greater than, as we are human, we all have difficulties and weakness in our life, right? So what are the most difficulties and weakness in your studies?
I am very lazy. I can't wake up in the morning.
I don't think you're lazy.
No, I am lazy.
If you're lazy, I think you're unable to be rich up to this much.
No, I am lazy, but the thing is my mother and my sister used to push me. I can't wake up in the morning and neither I can study late hours. So that was my greatest difficulty.
You are late riser, right?
Yeah, late riser and
okay.
early
to sleep.
Yeah, early to sleep.
Actually, the problem was like it's not early to bed, not early to rise.
Yeah.
But
for me,
it is
a reverse of it.
Okay. हेलो आंटी, तो हम लोग दोनों तो सिर्फ हाफलोंग हिंदी पर जाने पड़ेगा क्योंकि हम लोग तो हाफलोंग का ही है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जो रिजल्ट मिलने के बाद आपका लड़की सेकेंड टॉपर आया ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे, सो क्या रिएक्शन था? खुश था ना?
खुश था, हम खुश था. हमारा लड़की बिना ट्यूशन से इतना मार्क लेके आया, हम तो बहुत खुश हुई हो.
बिना ट्यूशन से लाया लड़की, तो वो आएगा बोल के एक्सपेक्ट था?
एक्सपेक्ट था, ज़्यादा ही था.
इसलिए अच्छा होगा बोल के एक्सपेक्ट था ना? क्या था?
जो अच्छा करेगा, मैट्रिक में भी अच्छा करेगा, सेकेंड ईयर भी अच्छा करेगा, तो हमरा भी मालूम है आगे से ही. हमारा छोटा लड़की तो थोड़ा सेकेंड ईयर में और अच्छा मिलेगा, तो फिर ट्यूशन व्यूशन नहीं इतना मिला तो खुशी है.
तो इसका फर्दर स्टडीज के लिए और इसे जितना पढ़ना वो मानता है, इतना तो आप देने के लिए मंजूर है क्या? नहीं,
इतना तो बीए कराएगा क्योंकि हमको गरीब आदमी है ना, इतना तो ज़्यादा नहीं सकेगा पढ़ाने के लिए, तो बीए कराएगा.
बीए कराने के बाद तो शेष.
हाँ, शेष.
वही बात भी है, बीए कराने से भी जो जिसका दिमाग अच्छा है, जिसका जो स्टूडेंट क्वालिटीज है, ये लोग जो करना मानता है वो लोग तो अचीव कर सकते हैं. तो कुछ अपना जो व्यूअर्स लोग के लिए, जो हम लोग का वीडियो देख रहा है, वो लोग के लिए कुछ कहना माने गॉव कॉलेज का लेक्चर लोग को आप क्या कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
क्या बोलेगा उनको बोलेगा थोड़ा बच्चा में थोड़ा अच्छा से गाइड करने से तो बच्चा को थोड़ा अच्छा वक्त मिलेगा ना. जॉब का लिए
जो अभी गाइड किया वो तो अच्छा नहीं था क्या?
अच्छा ही है, इसलिए तो हम लोग लड़की भी अच्छा ही करा.
Can you please give some message for upcoming student to achieve more greater than you?
Yeah, sure. I'd like to tell to all of them, try to be regular in your studies and prepare a timetable from the beginning of the year so that you can follow it and go according to the subjects, and try to be in love with the subjects, because if you love the text, then you will be able to achieve success.
Thank you so much for your time, and I do hope and I do believe that you can do more better in your future and you can achieve more greater than this, and best wishes for your future.
Thank you.
Anyway, thank you so much to those who watch our channel. So if you like this kind of videos, stay tuned. Never forget to subscribe our channel for more update. That's all. Thank you so much for your time.